What is a rising edge and falling edge? Welcome to another training session of PLC programming. In today's session, we will learn what is a rising edge and what is a falling edge. Let's see an animation. When a box passes in front of a sensor, the sensor gives an output signal. Now, if we look closely as the box front corner just comes in front of the sensor output signal turns on. At this moment, if we look at the output pulse signal has just turned on. This is called the rising edge of the output signal. As long as the box stays in front of the sensor, output signal stays on. The moment box leaves the sensor sensing range, the output signal turns off and the output pulse signal drops. This is called as the falling edge of the output signal. Now let's see how rising and falling edges can be used in the PLC programming. We can use PLC inputs in the several ways in PLC programming. Most common are normal open, normal close, rising edge detection and falling edge detection. Let's see an animation. How does a rising and falling edge detection works? As you can see that the moment the front corner of the box is detected by the sensor, it gives an output signal and normal open contact is closed. But the rising edge detection contact will be turned on only for the one PLC scan cycle, and in the next scan cycle it is turned off. So the rising edge detection contact will be turned on only for the one PLC scan cycle, but the normal open contact will remain closed as long as the box is in the front of the sensor. In this way, we can detect precisely when the sensor output signal is turned on. Now, the moment box leaves, the sensor output signal goes off, but the falling edge detection contact will be turned on for one scan cycle. In the next scan cycle, it will be turned off. In this way, we can detect when the output signal of the sensor is turned off. Now we will see how we can use a rising and falling edge detection in the ladder logic. Here I have written two rungs to keep the things really simple and easy to understand. In the first rung, upon the rising edge detection, Y0 output will be set on. And in the next rung, upon falling edge detection, Y0 output resets. Let's start the animation. As you can see that as the curtain comes in front of the sensor X0, the sensor gives an output signal and its rising edge is detected in the first PLC rung. And this sets the output Y0 on and conveyor starts. The moment curtain leaves the sensor X0 output goes off and it will reset output Y0 and the conveyor stops. This cycle is performed for each upcoming box on the infeed conveyor. So this is a very simple example that how we can use a rising and falling edge detection in the PLC programming. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Till next video, take care and goodbye.